Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So how can you get the most benefit out of your software, your cleaning business software, your janitorial software? It's something I've been meaning to talk about for a long time, and I'm just going to make it a short video to make a quick but important point. And that is, very often you'll find software being used by cleaning companies and they're getting some benefit of it. They might be using the bidding portion, maybe invoicing, but they're maybe not using the checklist portion, or they're maybe not using scheduling and timekeeping or inspecting. There's so many features that software offers. We try to make our software an all-in-one software, and I'm sure others try to do that same kind of thing to a greater or lesser degree. But in doing this, my only point is try to grab a hold of, try out, test all the different features and all the different ways that the software can help you. It may be uncomfortable at first, but there certainly should be a lot of customer support to be able to help you kind of get started. And my sense is once you try it, you'll get hooked on it because you can't appreciate how organized, you can't believe how organized and efficient software can make your cleaning business, whether like I say, organizing all of your bidding, your invoicing, mobile checklists for your folks, inspections, work tickets, timekeeping, all of that can be under one roof so you can keep it all in one place. Very convenient. So try to get the most out of your cleaning software by sometimes trying out features maybe you've never tried before. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.